you mentioned kind of lack of planning, lack of foresight, of looking ahead, and you're so busy in June, July, maybe in the first part of August, depending on where you are in the weather. And it's like, we're just so busy, we don't have time to plan for September, October. But here's my question to both of you guys. So I just started a new company here with my brother-in-law here in Colorado, and like literally 2 months ago. And we started at the beginning of summer because I wanted us to have a nice hit. We did about $200,000 in 7-8 weeks, and that's what we planned to do, come out of the gate, get some money in the bank. But this is our first shoulder season, and we don't have any bank of service agreements.
That's right.
Because we're brand spanking new. I'm thinking about all the contractors out there, not necessarily just a new company, but maybe a company that's just kind of waking up and coming to, and like, wait a minute, I need these service agreements for my shoulder seasons, but I don't have them yet.
Right.
What do I do going into this September for a new company like mine, or for a company maybe been around for a while, but they really haven't been planning very well?
Yeah, I'll start off. I've had 2 startups, and in both cases, the startups had the same problem that you're describing. So we went out with a radio campaign in our markets with a promotion, and we just decided that sitting around and not having a promotion, we were going to lose money. So that wasn't going to be a good option. So we decided to create something that was aggressive, that was unique, and so we created the Sweet 16, the 16-year parts and labor warranty that no one else would offer. And we knew that no contractor would follow us because it's a little bit crazy to offer a 16-year parts and labor warranty. But we also figured if we priced it right and we reserved, that we could get, there's always somebody in the market consuming, there's just not as many. Right. So we just needed to get enough sits.
Wait, say that again.
There's always somebody consuming, there's just not as many.
Dude, that is some wisdom. That is dropping a wisdom bomb right there.
That's Kamiki right there talking.
Or the no, but that's
why you think we do this. Why do you think we pull out the Kamiki?
I think that's what contractors like myself, and you own a company still.
Yeah, 2 of them.
2 of them, and that's what we got to remember, that there's business out there. It's just not in such abundance, which means we got to have better offers and be better at the kitchen table to snag that business.